Hello, this is Mr. Ben. We've been trying to, explain calculus. We solve some questions. This is another question on the board. If you are writing down, you are writing one, please join me as I solve this question. Okay? Now look at the first one. What is the derivative of t squared sine into bracket 3t minus 5 with respect to the variable t? What is the derivative? I didn't put the option because the option was obviously too long. So, but let's see what we are going to get. Alright, let's try and solve this one here. Okay? So, we have, you just say, let this whole thing be equal to y. Let it be equal to y. So, y is equal to t squared sine 3t minus 5. Are you getting it now? Yeah? So, now let's solve this. Now, you know that this is product rule. This times this, right? Product rule. I always have my short method of solving this. Very, very short and fast method. But because our aim is to help you to understand it, I might not have to explain that method. Alright? So, let me do this. The easier route. Let me do the easier route. Alright? Now, the best thing to do is you say, let this equal to u and this is v. So, in other words, we are having y equal to u times v. This one is a different portion, this is another portion. And both of them are multiplying. Are you getting me now? Alright, so, now what are we going to do? We're going to take them one by one after the other. Let's bring u first. So, u is what? T squared. Are you getting me now? I have told you, the u, the t, that's what? 2 times t, that's all for u. Then v will be what? Sine 3t minus 5. Are you getting me now? So what is the v, the t? Now, if you want to solve it, this is function of function. Look at it. The relative function, and there's another function inside. Okay, listen to me. Alright? Now, you solve the function inside, the outside you get, keep it one side. Then you solve the function outside, the outside you get, keep it one side. Later you multiply both answers. Are you getting me now? What is the function inside? The function is inside is this. That is what? 3t minus 5. Are you getting me? Alright, let's solve it. When you solve it, you have what? 3. The position of the 0. When you present 2 of the 0, then you present 3t, that will be 3. So that's 3, right? Now, solve the one outside. What do you have outside? What you have outside is sine everything here. So everything here, let it be u. So that's sine u. When you solve sine u, what are you going to get? You're going to get cos u. Are you getting it now? So this is the answer for the function inside, and this is the answer for the function outside. So you multiply the two of them together. That's how to do it. I think you understand it now. So when we multiply these two, that was our answer. You get it now? So let's go. The v, the t, that was what? 3. You understand now? Cos u. What is u? Remember, this is u. That is 3t minus 5. You get it now? As simple as ABCD. Alright? So now, how do you solve u times v? Y equal to u times v is what? The y, the s is what? U, the v, the s, plus v, the u, the s. That is the formula. This is called product rule. Product rule formula. Okay? Alright? We have solved some questions on quotient rule, and I hope you go and watch those videos. This is what? Product rule. Are you getting it now? So, what is it? You say u times the v, the s, plus v times the u, the s. That's the rhythm. Alright? So, u times v, the s, plus v times u, the s. Alright? So, let's do that. So, the y, the s, we give it what? U first. What is our u? T squared. T squared times the v, the s. This is our v, the s. Okay? This is the v, the s. That's the v, the t. So, that's what? Times what? 3 cos 3t So minus 5. Eh? Hmm? Plus z, what are these? These are the sine what? Sine 3t minus 5. Hmm? Z, then the t. Look at it. Z the t. Look at the t here. 2t. Here we have s, here we have t. It just, it's substitute. So 2t, so times what? 2t. So what will everything give you now? So you start with 3, so now with 3t squared. I hope you can see my board. I hope you can see my board. 3t squared. That's 3 times t squared, 3t squared, then you have what? Cos 3t minus 5, close the bracket. Then 2 times 1 is 1 here, so that's what? 2t. 2t times 1, that's 2t. Then now introduce the mechanism, so that's what? 3 times 3t minus 5. This is the whole answer. You can see the option, imagine what the option will look like. That's why I did what I put it. Can you see that now? So that's for number 1. Alright? Now let me solve number 2 at this side. So number 2 we have y is equal to what? Sine square 5s. Alright? For you to solve this, you have to understand what you are seeing. Alright? As a mathematician or a student that is, offering mathematics as a course, you must understand that we have 3 functions here. 3 functions, please. Follow me. The first function is what you have here, 5s. It's not just s. So even if it's s in the function, but because of the 5 has also, add to the function. So 5s, that's the first function. The second function is the trigonometric ratio. That is sine. Then the third function is the power. So everything here, you must understand that everything here is taken as sine 5s all raised to power 2. Once you understand that, you are able to solve that question very, very conveniently. Are you with me? Okay. So can we solve it now? So there are 3 functions. So you are going to solve all 3 functions and multiply all of them. You understand? You will solve all 3 functions and multiply all of them. So you take it one by one. Alright? I don't know if I should break it down or I should do the short method. Breaking it down and do the short method all takes your mind. You gotta work on it. Alright? Even if I break it down, you still have to work on it to understand it. So the best thing is that I should just make it short. Why? Because you need to see the other way, apart from what is the textbook. Alright? So what's the other way? It's still the same thing I'm saying. Solve it function by function and multiply all of them. So let me break it down a bit again. So let me solve the first function. If you differentiate 5s, what will you have? If you differentiate 5s, I'm going to have 5, right? Now, are you seeing the board there? Okay. If I differentiate, the next function is sine. If I differentiate sine, I'm going to have what? Cos, right? So if I differentiate sine, I'm going to have cos what? 5s. You get that? If I differentiate 5s, I'm going to have 5 now by 5 there. If I differentiate sine 5s, I'm going to have what? Cos 5s, right? That's the first one. Then if I differentiate the power, what's the power? The power on sine 5s, like this. If I differentiate the power, that would be what? 2 times then minus 1. So that's 2 times this, that's 2 sine 5s, right? Then minus 1. When you remove 1, from 2, it's still getting that 1. So 2 minus 1, that's 1. So the limit of writing anything there. I hope you can play this video over and over. Alright? So that you are okay, you are good. So now, this is the answer. If you differentiate the power, this is the answer. 2 sine 5s. So you multiply this, right? Multiply with this and with 5. Then you get your answer. Okay? Alright, so what's our answer now? So the y, the s, Alright, let's start with all the numbers. What are the numbers? We have 2. 2 times 5, that's 10. So 10 first. Then the next one. What the next two? I put sign first. Sign 5s. Then you cannot put cos 5s. Can you see that? Sign 5s cos 5s. Okay? So we are done with that. So what's the next question? It said 5 is the derivative of what? Y equal to with respect to s. That's the answer. Alright, with respect to s. This is our answer for the whole thing. Alright, so please drop your comment, follow our online work, and try to share the video to your colleagues so that they can, participate and benefit. You can see we've done a lot today. Thank you.